Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your data on Snapchat. Now, Snapchat doesn't offer you a feature for you to see basically your likes and your watch history, your posts, your stories, just like Instagram, but it actually works similar to Twitter or X. Well, basically, what you need to do is that you need to download an archive, and from that archive you could see all your watch history and stuff. So how can we do that? So first of all, you're going to navigate and open Snapchat. Now from Snapchat, you're going to click on the bottom left corner, yes, under your Bitmoji. From your Bitmoji, you're going to click on the settings, which is the cogwheel on the top right corner. Then you're going to scroll down, all the way down, until something called account actions. Now right above logout, you're going to click on my data. And then when you click on my data, it's supposed to show you an option for you to download your data. You're going to first log in. Now, once it works, you're going to select what things you want to be downloaded. For example, your user information, which is basically login, user profile, and all this stuff. For example, I would like only my story and the chat history. I don't want the shopping or the support history, neither the ranking and the location, and I want the others, spotlight chat history, okay? And you're going to export in JSON and include your memories and others saved, okay? And I'm going to click on next, and from next you're going to submit you're going to request your data, and in around 2 days, from 1 day to 2 days, you're going to get, and of course over here you can change what time you want from from day what to day what your information to have. And once you click on submit, you're going to wait for your data to appear, and then you're going to download it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.